Hey everyone, today's your final. This is the last assignment that you will need to do with me. And because it is a final, it is a summative. So this is worth 80% of your grade. So you really want to do well on this. Okay, so here's the directions. The first thing you're going to do, it says to copy and paste your completed rough draft essay into this doc. All right, so you're going to go to your rough draft that you've already turned into me. I have my copy right here. And you are going to copy and paste it. So in order to do that, you just highlight it, copy, and then go down here to the bottom and paste. There it is. But you're not done yet. Now what you're going to do is you're going to organize your paragraphs in your essays. And what this means is that you're going to get rid of these headings. You're going to get rid of these topic headings. Okay, get rid of those. You're going to make sure that your form, the type of your letter, or excuse me, the type of your font is Times New Roman. So I highlight it, I go over here to Times New Roman, and I want it to be 12. Okay, oh, I gotta get rid of a few other things here. Make those a Times New Roman 12. Good, all right. The next thing it says to do is to make sure you have 5 paragraphs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do have 5 paragraphs. I'm going to fix any errors. So what that means is I'm going to proofread it. If there's any spelling errors, see that little red, here it says it wants me to add a comma, so I'm going to fix that. Any other spelling errors that I might have, I'm rereading to make sure it makes sense. Make sure you have complete sentences. When I say that, I mean capital letter, period, subject, verb. Okay? Also, make sure you don't have any run-on sentences that ramble on forever and ever and ever without punctuation. Make sure you have the appropriate punctuation. So if it's a question, you put a question mark. If it's a period, you put a period. Do you need period, or do you need commas? Do you need exclamation points? Whatever. Make sure you put those in there. And then make sure to indent your paragraphs. That means that it's spaced in a little bit. So if you have it like this, if your paragraphs look like this, you go to that first letter and then you hit tab and it'll indent it for you. Okay? And then I want you to reread your essay. Okay, reread it. Does it make sense? If it doesn't make sense, I want you to fix it. Okay. What else do I have on here? Okay, so when you're done, you're going to delete these instructions. But before you do that, you can go look at the rubric and how I'm going to grade you. This is what I'm grading you on. Okay, so writing incomplete sentences, using varying tenses, varying sentence types, organization is clear, they use correct punctuation and grammar. Okay, and then I'll give you a few hints after I'm done. All right, so then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to delete these instructions because I don't need them anymore. I'm going to give it a title. And when you give a title, you want to center it. And you also want every letter of your title to be capitalized. Okay. All right, so here it is, Teaching an Old Dog New Tricks. And there's my essay. Once I'm done with that, I click Submit. And I am done with base language arts for the year. All right. Email me, call me, text me, do whatever you need to do, and let's get this done. Juniors, you have until the 26th, I think, to get this done. And seniors, you have until the 21st to get this done. But it shouldn't take you very long because you already have your essay done. All right. Take good care, friends. We'll talk soon.